Hi everyone, welcome to AI Talks, one of my podcast series that I'm going to do it with way more people like this. Almost every week I will try to do it if possible. Today we have Misha and Vitalli with us. How are you guys?
We are great. It's a nice day, nice weather here in Warsaw.
And Warsaw in Poland, actually.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm doing amazing. Hey guys, and it's a pleasure to meet you, and pleasure to meet you, Amal, for the first time and do this
Thank you.
podcast.
Thank you so much. Let's start from a quick round of introductions. For some of you guys who might be a new subscriber, my name is Emil Sire. I'm a software engineer. I've been building software for the past 23 years. In the start of 2025, I was broken because I lost a lot of my savings and in a company, a voice AI agent that I was building through a Techstars acceleration program and a couple of years of really hard work and almost made it, but couldn't secure any further funding. So I'm a broken founder, recovering founder, and I go on the internet, I start the recording, and I put my very first video on the internet. And that kind of like rolled, and I just got in a few months, 4 or 5 months, around 30,000 subscribers and followers. So it's a combination of both LinkedIn and YouTube. On my YouTube, I think I have right now almost 3,000 subscribers, but it happened very, very fast. And I am an N8N ambassador. I am CTO and co-founder of a company called Avanai, an N8N expert company. And we have this contract with N8N where we're an N8N expert partner, and we take N8N starter session or this workshop around the world, a city per week. Almost every week I'm in a new city. Today I'm. Yesterday we had it in Warsaw. Today I'm still in Warsaw. I will have a flight later today, and I want to meet Misha and Vedli and have this podcast with them and talk about their products. And that's my story. I am kind of like turning from this founder mode into educator mode, and I really like producing a lot of content, a lot of tutorial series, and so on. So I'm super pumped about what I'm doing. I love it, and I think this content game is amazing, and I'm just enjoying it every day. So with that, let's go to Misha. Misha,
Yeah.
tell us about yourself.
Sure. Hi, nice to meet you, Amal, after a long 2.5 years.
Yes.
So my name is Misha. I'm a founder of Parsera. For over 9 years, I'm working in machine learning and artificial intelligence.
Wonderful.
And the last 3 years as a founder of the startups. This is how I also met Amal. We met during Techstars acceleration program in Berlin 2.5 years ago with my previous startup. Same as Amal, my previous startup was closed. We closed the previous startup, but instead of going to the education, I'm giving a shot to a new one. And today we want to share and showcase it. Basically, the startup is about AI agents in the web and specifically AI agents for the web scraping.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank you so
and
much for that. And now, if I can say anything, thank you so much for joining this, especially at the tree setup. Tell us more about yourself, your background.
Sure. Cool. Again, stick in my hand, so now it's my turn to talk. So,
Yes.
hey guys, my name is Vitalli. I'm from Ukraine, and I'm co-founder of Parsera. I can like super relate to what just Amal said about his career that he was broken, and I was in same space maybe like a year ago, and it was that time when I met Misha and we teamed up, and I joined his startup as a co-founder and started to helping him building the Parsera, build the best web scraping tool in the world and the best web scraping node in the N8N. So now I'm doing marketing, sales, all other thing in this product. So guys, it will be a big pleasure to tell you more about what we are doing and how it works. So yeah, nice to meet you, and
Wonderful.
let's
Wonderful.
go.
Thank you. Let's do that. So what we're going to do now is I'm gonna give this first look to Coursera. The idea would be that I have never used it before. I kind of like from your LinkedIn posts, I know that what it is. It's a scraper, a web scraper tool. I watched your video last time when you did this like URL and the setup, and then it just extracts data. I will give it the very first try, and we'll discuss a lot about what it is and what can it do, and things like that. And from there we start hacking things together. The setup is in a way that they can see my screen, so you guys can see my screen. So let's go and start hacking things together. So what do I do? Where do I go first? What's the website address?
So first start with the.
Parsera.
Maybe you can start with an A10.
GitHub?
You
Yeah,
can start
we'll
with
go
it.
to N810,
If
but
you want to use the note,
let's talk about it. Is it this one?
or you wanna, yeah, no, Parsera with the E at the end.
How do you say?
The Parsera 8.
A at the end.
Yeah,
This one.
exactly.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
So,
The
guys,
question
it's-
is, do we want to jump straight into an A10 note, or you want
I'll
to go
do-
step by step from the backstory? Because this is start.
let's go then to the backstory. So let's give us the backstory. Why did you actually build Parsera? What was the main idea behind it?
Okay, because like the GitHub is a part of the backstory of Parsera. That's why I'm asked.
Okay.
So essentially, like during the work as a ML engineer, ML researcher, there is a lot of time you need some data and you interact with the data. And one of the obvious way to experiment to get the data for experiments is to extract it from the web. So from time to time, I used to extract the data. There is a story that also Vitalli mentioned of the stage before. That I also like one of the I'm using for the testing of all the tools, all the cases. I'm using one case that I had privately because I bought my car with the web scraping.
Oh no, that's a cool idea.
Yeah, and
So you scrape websites.
I scraped the website with the car listings.
Okay.
So the reason is that I monitored like for 3 or 4 months very specific used car, and I lost it because one evening I went to hang out with my friends, and the next morning it was reserved, so I couldn't take it.
I see.
I was so pissed off that I sit down for 2 days and hacked for me the bot that will scan the website and will send me the messages.
Wow.
And this was my the real like deep web scraping interaction.
And this was the birth of Parsera.
This was the birth of me and web scraping, I would say, because became tied to that.
Nice.
So this was the main trigger, I would say.
That's wonderful. And guys, I can tell one thing about web scraping is that it is really, really brutal business. Like, I have done quite a bit of web scraping with very old times Selenium. I did a lot of end-to-end testing, not scraping, but testing, dealing with DOM, with Cypress. I did some Playwright, Puppeteer. It's really hard, like especially scraping things on the web. It can break a lot of times. So I'm looking forward to how this thing works. I'm super curious about this. Especially you guys already have an approved N810 node. That's gonna be super cool. So let's start from trying it out then.
Yeah, you can start from the GitHub. This is also a part of the big backstory because Parsera started as a Python.
You guys see the GitHub. It's an amazing 1,200 GitHub stars. That's wonderful. Hey guys, come on. Please go ahead and give it a star. and you can find it right here. Where can I find it? It's github.com.
Yeah. Just Google Parsera GitHub.
Parsera. Or just Google
GitHub
Parsera.
Yeah, it's the quickest way. Yeah, so
it's a lightweight library for scraping websites with LLM. That's interesting.
Yeah, this is how it started. It's a Python library. It essentially you provide URL and the description, what you want to extract, like the structure, and you get the data back. This was the first step.
So how is that? Like you provide a URL and then it just does the job for you?
Yeah. You will see the repo.
And that's the main focus area.
It was the main focus area, yeah. It was the initial, like the first step for Parsera as a project.
Okay. Then let's give it a try. I wanna say a few things about or see a few things in this GitHub repository, and then we'll go and try it out. So it's a Python, 96% Python. That's cool. Okay, that's 100% Dockerized. Wonderful.
You wanna go with the library?
157. No, I will go with the N810 first.
Yeah, I think so. It makes sense.
157 commits. That's wonderful. And if I go to the insights and see since when are you guys doing it. Internet is slow. Okay, so you started literally last August, huh?
Yeah.
That's wonderful. And not a lot of activity recently. Any reason for that?
Yeah, the reason is the product.
It was done. Like there's no more.
The reason is that overall, I would say that most of the things are done
Okay.
because we are using the Parsera library internally as a part of our product that we have right now.
Oh, I see. So you have a product, a premium product, and
Yeah.
this is the
The
engine.
Parsera is the part is the piece in the engine that we have in the
I
product.
see. Makes sense. Makes sense. And which part, Vitaly, are you doing? Like, do you do more business of this? Or
Yes, yes.
you're the business
I'm
part?
fully
Okay.
responsible for the business activity. And
Okay.
if talking about in the meme languages, so the non-technical co-founder, it's about me. Like everything related to business, marketing, sales,
Yeah.
is on me because like last 10 years
so
I've been doing
speaking of
product
that,
management.
Let's go to Parsera's website so we can see some.
Yeah, let's do that.
What's the website name called? .org. Huh?
Parsera.org. Yeah.
Nice. So this is your business. Like this
Yeah.
website is your business.
Yeah.
And
Landing.
this product is what you're talking about. So this is the core product. And
Yes.
it's a SaaS model. People pay money per month, a subscription.
Yeah.
And who takes care of the tokens? I bring my own API on your product, and I pay $60 per month for the API, or how does it work? Or you charge based on the credits? Nice, nice. Man, I'm so happy for you guys. You're heading towards a nice PMF, product market fit.
I mean that's the reason why we haven't had a lot of commits in our library because our
Nice.
product is much wider. We have we exceeded our product from the just AI scraping
Yeah.
to usage of AI to generating the code for scrappers.
Yeah.
So actually, our users can generate their own scrappers.
Wonderful.
Something that they had to hire developer
I
back
think
in the
that's-
days.
Yeah, I think that's the main cool thing about these open source projects, because they're not just building a business for themselves, but they're enabling the whole world of that thing, be it scraping, be it N8N, be it whatever open source project it is. It's kind of like elevating the whole industry with it. And that's why I'm a big lover and believer of open source, and this technology that I'm right now recording is open source, and I have like a dozen different open source projects around the world. So let's dive deeper into this N8N world of Parsera. So I have an N8N account. I'm gonna try it out and see how Parsera is used there. All right, so I go to my N8N instance.
Yeah.
And then what do I do next? I create a new workflow.
Sure.
I want to. Do you have an example where you want me to follow, like a list of?
We have example with Google Sheets, but I think it's gonna take some time to set up like the Google Sheet connection.
Okay.
So we can do something really simple here. You can use at the first step trigger manually.
Okay.
So and as a second step, we can use our Parsera to show how the scrapping works.
So trigger manually.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna literally put the trigger manually. Then. What should I do next?
And next, let's find Parsera here. So
Oh, nice. So literally here and then.
yeah, our node called AI Scrapper. So
AI.
You can type Parsera.
yeah, you can type Parsera.
This.
Yeah,
this
either
one?
way, it finds it.
And Parsera.
Yeah, this-
Parsera. Oh.
It seems like they updated something.
AI scraper.
Oh.
AI scraper it is. Then.
Oh,
Yeah.
Is this
yeah,
one?
yeah, it's our
Okay,
node.
AI
It's our
scraper.
node.
Scrape data
Yes,
from
yes, it is.
websites using Parsera API. Nice.
Mhm.
But by the way, this is something you may need to ask them. Why is it not searching? Because I can see in AI scraper, you can see there is Parsera term in it. But
It
when
worked
I'm
before,
searching
but now
Parsera, it's a bug or something in Parsera. Yeah,
no S.
Parsera.
Yes.
Yeah, it seems to be a bug in N8N UI because it can't show it. All right, so what do I do next? I
Just search for AI Scrapper,
AI scraper. Okay.
and let's
Then-
do. Oh yeah, let's install the node
Should I
first.
click? Okay. Nice. So we do that. What do I do next?
Let's do the most popular operation people use us for is extract from URL. So let's click on extract from URL.
Which one? Extract from
The
URL.
first action in the list
Okay.
of extractor action.
So here we have scrape from URL, and here we have extract from URL. It's the extraction part, and this is
Yes,
the,
we have two different products right now in Parsera. First
Okay.
one is extractor. The second one is a scrapping agent, which we also call scrappers. And
I
extractor
see.
uses AI to go on a page and scrape it to get data for you.
Okay.
And scrapping agent builds scrapper for you.
I see.
And then you can use that scraper to scrape pages with a similar structure.
That's nice. That's
Yeah.
wonderful. So let's
So
go.
in this case, I think extractor would be enough to show all the power of our extraction capabilities. So let's
Makes
go
sense.
with
Then-
extract from URL.
Then let's do that. Extract from URL.
Yeah.
And do you have an API for me, or should I go and get one?
Let me.
Send it to me on WhatsApp. Then you can send me an API key.
I will.
WhatsApp
I will
also.
send it to you.
So
Give
it's
me a
easy for me
second.
to copy paste.
Give me a sec.
So basically the
Oh,
the
Misha,
idea
can I
would
ask you
be-
to do that because you have
My WhatsApp.
IML WhatsApp?
Yeah. But maybe just for the recording, I will just do it here. Look at this screen. I will sign up.
With Google, maybe faster.
It will be faster with Google.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
I think this is the last week when anyone can see our old UI because in a week,
Ah,
man,
nice.
we're cooking something really great, something really great. The flow that we are working on will allow to, I mean, any user with any level of technical proficiency scrape end to end any website, get data, schedule getting those scrape data on their email, whatever. So our goal at the moment is to make scrapping as easy as just downloading app from the App Store, something like that.
Wow, that's amazing. So it's more going towards the vision of Firecrawl, like Firecrawl. Firecrawl is
Not exactly.
so.
Yeah, the difference is the Firecrawl is more for extracting data for the LLMs, so you read it as a text file, while our focus is to provide you something structured like a table. So this is the difference.
That's
And
wonderful.
the idea, like also like an A10 is also built around the rows and the data. That's why it's also very well
I
suited
see.
for the
Makes
flows
sense.
in an A10.
I think in that sense it's something more towards consumer, kind of like individuals can extract data
Yeah.
and put in a table or format.
Yeah,
a
exactly.
Google Sheet and stuff. Okay, then let's go with the next steps. Let me try it out. I got in.
Yeah. How did you hear about Parsera?
How did I hear?
By a friend. I think by a
I
friend.
think it was a friend. Yeah, I know the friend. No experience.
Yeah, we learn a bit about your
Yeah,
scraping
yeah,
background.
yeah. I needed to have a skip button, man. You need to put a skip button. I don't like that. Okay, now what do I do next? Extract. API, where is API? There we go. API keys.
Yeah.
Is this my, where's my API key?
You can see it on the top.
This one?
Yep.
Yeah, copy.
Yeah, just refresh it after the recording.
No, I don't. I will delete it. Yeah. So here and save. There we go. Nice. So it's done.
Yep.
I will click close, save. So the extractor is gonna extract
Yeah,
this
extractor.
one, and then from URL and then a URL. Do you have any web page that I can use?
Maybe you have
those?
some preferences?
Car.
Something like a car?
Yeah, let's do that.
Car listing?
My son likes BMW cars, so let's find a. Which website can I go?
the good boy.
Where are people?
Yeah.
Where people in Germany usually buy cars? On what website?
Mobile.de.
Let's try it.
Let's try that. So should I go and put what? Like,
Let's open the website with the listings, maybe the list of the.
okay, then I will find a list first, BMW
Yeah.
model, and I think he likes X7
Like 7?
X7M. X7M, that's what he likes. So
yeah, let's
I've
go.
bought 86
Yeah,
of them.
86.
So this is what, well, actually, this is really cool. I wish that I had more battery. So we're going to stop this very soon because of the battery on my laptop. But I wish this would be longer format because this is going in a very good direction. So, and I hope it's going to work. So I'm going to get this URL,
Yeah, just let's use this URL and
then
see whether
go paste it
Mobility
here.
is
And
not.
then in here, the prompt is what? Should I do prompt or
let's
should I
let's
extract
describe the
fields?
columns. Yeah, what do you want to
the
extract?
fields. I want to extract the following fields. So the name, this one, the price, and this one. So these three fields.
Yeah, let's
Name,
describe them.
and then what? How do I do this?
So describe it like
so it's
this
kind of
is
like
the
car
name.
name.
Yeah, and you have also the prompt to specify what you want, and the type. What type?
This is the
data you
column
expect.
prompt.
Yeah.
So this is the name of the car. Huh? Name of the car, and add another column, description of the car, description of. Oh, sorry.
You can just keep description. It's just the name of
and
the
then
column.
the prompt is description of the car, and then
The price. You wanted the
the
price, right?
price, car price, car price. I'm gonna add the price of the car. What else do I do?
That's it.
That's it.
Click execute, and let's hope that Mobility will not block our scraper.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna save, and you know what? I have an idea. Let's put this here side by side, and let's capture our entire emotions at the same time. All right, so 3, 2, 1, go. And it's going to take a little bit time, right? So it's
It depends on anti-bot of the website. Sometimes, oh, it probably.
then let's switch the website. Should
Huh?
we switch the website?
We can try, but let's see what's the error. Maybe
Okay.
we did something wrong. We don't know.
All right, so let me put this in a smaller
Or maybe we have the problem with something.
version and put this one big. Service not available. I think
Why?
no. I think it's just an error on the blocker on the website.
Let's just
so the
retry.
website
Let's
is-
retry. Let's retry because this is
Try
a weird
again,
one.
or
Let's try
yeah,
again.
try again. Okay, then
This is a
let's
weird
see.
one.
Can I think we can also try on the next attempt to delete the description field.
Say it again.
Well, we can try as a next attempt to delete the description field.
this one?
Yeah, this one. But let's
Yeah,
try
could
it
be.
next time because I believe that
Car name. I need
car
price.
name is okay and price is okay.
Car price.
Yes,
The price of the
because
car.
there is no description actually. Description. There is no
Exactly,
one.
this was
That's why.
hallucinating.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
why
the
it returned the error.
LLM was hallucinating.
Yes.
so-
And now
Mm-hmm.
it's blocked. Now it's blocked.
Couldn't
Price.
couldn't find the price.
You see, when you return the price was none.
Car price.
Uh-huh.
Then you can also do a little bit
Wow.
of what do you call it? A fallback. If it couldn't find it, then put null in it or something. But it's cool. Like this is working, and this is so easy. Like literally, you're telling me that I describe something like in plain English, and it just runs and it
We can
works.
try it on Walmart. Yeah, let's Walmart.
Amazon or
Because Mobile there, even
It's
1 month
blocking.
ago,
Yeah,
I had
just-
problem with blocking
Just
there.
tell me whatever that works.
Walmart. Let's
that
go on
you
Walmart,
can-
pick some product. I don't know, whatever you want.
Okay,
Maybe like
then-
toy car in this case.
Okay, then
And
let's
try
do
to
that.
scrape it.
Because my battery is just about to die, so we need to
Okay.
do closures on that.
Oh, we
So
have a level.
Walmart. Walmart.
Yeah, Walmart. Let's go there.
Yeah, it was executed actually.
It was executed. Let's see the result here.
Yeah, Mobile could be unstable.
Yeah, there was nothing result.
All right.
Okay, so which one?
I mean, this
.com?
one, the first one, yes.
And what should
Let's
I
search, I
for?
don't know, like a BMW. Maybe we could find something.
It's okay. Even
I mean, let's take
Even
maybe.
anything
Let's
is
stick to
okay.
it. Maybe we.
one?
I mean, oh yeah, the toys.
Where
Yeah,
sorry.
open a toy. Open any toy. Like This M4 is great. White
one?
M4. Yeah, this one.
But this doesn't have like a list. I need a
But we
list,
can,
right?
but we
It
can
could work.
scrape. I don't know. We
Yeah.
can scrape a
Yeah.
name of the car, and oh, there is no price here. Can we go back?
But there are some prizes here. Maybe
Oh yeah, we
fix
can.
it from there. I think
Cybertruck.
it's gonna work. Let's just give it a try because the
Yes,
battery is dying.
yes.
I wish
Let's
I
do
had
it.
more battery. So let's try it out. I think it's gonna work. Fingers crossed. Then let's see. But even if it doesn't work, what really matters right now in this example is that these guys figured out that the most simplified version of a UI that takes prompts, and then it does all the AV lifting in the back. It's amazing. That's cool. Anyways, because of time, we captured basically the whole concept. I'll keep an eye on this if
Yeah,
it's
actually,
gonna run or not.
Walmart takes some time.
Yeah, it's gonna. We'll just keep it on this side of the screen, just to make sure that my camera do not die without saying goodbye to you guys. Is what I believe is that these dudes figured out how to simplify something that's like literally to your fingertips, and it is available inside N810. And that
Success,
makes it-
success. We have
that
success.
is success.
We have success. Oh my god! Because
Yeah.
I prepared the speech to say to you guys that we had the biggest number of downloads of among all of the scrapping nodes and N810, that we won one of the first and the most popular one. And damn,
Look at that! It is successful, man.
it's success. But the price, again, the price.
That's okay.
Yeah, there is a problem
This
with the price on the page.
This is one thing.
The one no
this,
price,
This is
yeah.
one thing. I really want to kind of like promote this imperfection mentality. Like a lot of founders out there, startup founders, think that you need to be perfect in order to build something. But having this imperfection that is kind of like the very natural way to go, I would say, let's embrace imperfection.
Yeah, ship first.
Ship first. And even if these kind of demos fail and if there's an error, or let's embrace that, because that's how you perfect things.
Yeah, but we have plenty of active users, so it works. It's not like it's broken.
We have like 90 something success rate among all of the requests.
Yes, like 98%.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Guys, it was an amazing experience. Let's go for a very, very quick round of goodbye. I have 6% battery left on my laptop. It was really nice to meet you guys. I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for this. We'll do it next time when I'm in Warsaw.
Yeah, hope it will be soon. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
And yeah, for the goodbye, thanks Samuel for coming to Warsaw. Just as a closing note about Parsera, since we have a short time left, maybe a bit about the future, because now we are doing the web scraping and we're making to empower it more and more capabilities to basically the two very, very powerful web scraping tool.
Wonderful.
And the way forward is to add the ability to click, to interact with the websites, to
Okay.
do some actions to extract the data, and then the end of the day, we plan to land on like web scraping, like not web scraping agents, but the web agents, because our idea is that we see that web scraping is the simplest operation you can do on the web from perspective of like regular human being. So it's a few steps. It's quite easy for LLM, so we're starting there.
Yeah, I think it's just about time that you will find out the exact niche where you will be perfecting it. And Vitalli, last words, my friend.
Last words, first
It's
of
kind
all.
of like last words
Last word.
before you're dying.
Yeah, famous last words. So, first of all, thank you for this opportunity. It's our first podcast. It's not your. That's my first podcast, so it's kind of
And to be
kinda
honest,
nice, it's kinda cool.
After doing this, I'm kind of encouraged to do way more of this.
We
Yeah.
do. And guys, if you want to see more of us, we have our YouTube channel where every operation with Parsera successful I made sure that those one working. So check our videos, check our YouTube channel.
Let me pull
Yeah.
your YouTube channel on the screen.
Yeah.
How can I find your YouTube
Parsera,
channel?
Parsera, same name.
Parsera.
We're
Is
consistent.
there
So,
a
yeah.
website link? Is there a website link on the website about YouTube?
It's a good idea. We have to put it there.
Okay,
What?
then there
Yeah.
will be a website link somewhere here
So guys,
on Parsera.org.
we have a cool UI, we have a cool node. Check it out. In most cases, I mean, in 97% cases, it works. But considering that we're using UI, sometimes you gotta play with
Wonderful,
it
guys.
in order to make it work. So check our tool,
It
and
is
I'm sure you would love it.
Successful podcast. We just did it, man. Look at this, 3% left, literally 3%. And I really enjoyed it.
Last seconds
Last
of
seconds.
enjoyment.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for this. It was really nice to meet you guys, and see you guys in the next AI Talks.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Work.